Welcome to the Northwest Adventure, and today's episode is installing the Goodyear Shatterproof side window deflectors. And if you're wondering what comes in the box, it's 4 deflectors, a shimmy tool, some prep pads, and you get a gift of 2 license plate frames. You could either scan this little thing here or use the instructions. Now I'm using the provided shimmy tool with a prep pad to clean out that gap. This project is pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you clean things up real nice and try to do it when it's not raining. The tape that holds the deflectors into your window area is kind of cheap, so you'll probably want to go out and buy your own. Go for the 3M double-sided tape. So on each deflector, there's a little sticker that tells you the left side or the right side. So pay attention to that and basically just slip them in there. You'll hear them click, and then you'll want to roll up your window for the next 72 hours or 72 horas en español, mi amigos. And the reason why you want to leave your windows up for at least 72 hours is because when the glass goes up and it touches the back of these deflectors, it's going to put pressure against it and keep it up against the little wall area. And that way the tape will be able to bind. And so if you happen to go to a drive-through, you're kind of SOL, son. Haha. So in my humble opinion, the hardest part of this little task here was cleaning out the window areas. Because if you go off-roading and your windows are open, you're probably going to get dust and mud and whatever in there. So yeah, make sure you clean up that area real good. And here's my boy, Silas Rosso. And for those who don't know, these deflectors were manufactured in Russia. So with that said, I believe they'll last a long time and will remain strong. So here we are, the next morning. We got a lot of rain, and these things sure do look sharp on the Rubicon Hard Rock. And if I didn't already mention this, these window deflectors are specifically made for the Jeep Wrangler JKUR. And for those who don't know, I recently purchased this 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock in January, and I'm quickly doing some really inexpensive mods to make it real personal and to make it mine. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, stay fresh, and stay blessed.